Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Uh, in today's video, I'm going to continue the part 2 video for explaining the function in Python, and I start a little bit in the part 1 and I explain the fundamental, you can say that fundamental, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can a little bit deep into the function, how the function is working in Python. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I'm back with the code we last time left off. I left off here in the last video, and I a little bit explain how the functions are created and explaining how it's work. Uh, but in today's video, I'm going to show you other stuff that related to the function, but different from the last video. Okay, in the last time show you how the functions are created, but in today's video I did not talking about the usage for the bracket, but I start with that in today's video. The reason this bracket is needed is because when we call the function, we can pass other value in the bracket, and then we can get some values that we want to get. Let me show you one example. For example, if you want to add a numbers, let's call this add function, and then we can pass through this function in this bracket. Let's x and y, let's pass x and y, and then after we did that, let's say add equal to, it doesn't matter the order. I was about to first write the x, but doesn't matter in adding, not y, x. And then in the last time I explain what the reason we used return. So we return the value return odd, and then let me explain what this code is going to do. Okay, first here we defined call some function called add, and then when we call this add, we must put two functions, and then we can just say we can specify the name that must be put here, but for this example to be very simple as possible, I will leave that we put number when we have to put number when we call the function. If I call here the function here, for example, if I say added, and then if I want to do something, you see here it says to give the value for x and y that I created here. They must be added. If I did not do that, I hope you will going to be error Yes, you see here added means to require position argument y and x and y, because I did that here. Maybe it doesn't make sense right now. You can uh, try on yourself, try by yourself, and then I hope you will be familiar with this. But if doesn't not uh, helpful, you can go and watch very bunch of tutorial video and then try to challenge yourself, and you'll be good to go. Here you must that's why we put here those two characters, and then after under the code this code going to be run when we call this function. Those function will be we created here a value, and then this value is take y and x, and then we're going to sum up. Even though we can just put strings value. Let's try if it does work. Let's say hi. I'm just using for my in my many tutorial video hi or bye. I just use it, just not I don't have any reason. If I did that you will going to add it up, but it doesn't going to show in the terminal because we don't specify that. You see there is nothing here. Let's clear the terminal. Even let me show you again. I run this one and there is nothing change here because we don't specify to show in the terminal. To do that we can print out the outcome, and then we can see the value. You see by high comes first because here y is by is stand for y and high stand for x, so when they are added by comes from y, so I mean y bias comes from high, so high by they printed out by high. But this also I did not show this strings connector. You can call the connector or something, but you can also connect strings by using the addition symbol. But we can also this not going to, they don't have to memorize what I'm writing right now. That okay. I thought it was no. Yes. Okay. But I hope there is some way to tell the code to not put a strings for this reason, because we only need to see the numbers added. If some person adds like these strings, they can get some weird like this that we don't want to do that. But we can also put a number. For example, let's add blah 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 1 1. very easy. I hope so. You see, we get to, because our functions are built to added, we can also subtract. You got the idea. You can go deeply on those stuff, but here the reason it returning these two numbers is not because we specify this here, because we specified here this return is work everything that's calculated, or everything that write it in the code, and then after that, in the end of the end of the function code line, we can return something that we want to return. For this reason, we just only return this value here. So this added value is this one, and we return it here. Maybe, I know if you are very beginner, you're not going to understand this topic, so I suggest you to go and code many lines, and you will be familiar with it. And I know this is very easy stuff to start with, and doesn't challenge hard. And I know I'm not a good teacher. You can go and watch other YouTube videos or courses in internet, but this is that I want to explain for this video. And if you want, you can try with subtraction, multiplication, and divisions. And also, if you want to, very hard, very challenging, if you want, you can return the, okay, that's hard, but if you know the if statement, you can return if the value you are putting here are even or odd. Maybe you can work that. And that's all I have for you in this video, and I see you in the second part, and goodbye.